Hey, what's going on, everybody? Confirmed Kill Shop 420 here. Welcome to Black Tiger Airsoft in Lithia, Florida. We are here with the tryhards. This is both of our first time playing here. As you can see, it is a rainy day. We decided to go ahead and stay all day anyway and give it our best shot. We went out and checked out the field. I used my LMG in the morning, followed up by my Noveski, which is coming up in part 2. Make sure you stick around this whole video, check it out, so that way you know where part 2 starts off. If you haven't been to Black Tiger, go ahead and make that a spot to go to. It is a badass place. We will be back in the future real soon. Enjoy the video, guys. Thank you.
Hey! Right side, concrete wall. Go, 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 go. Go, clear. Move up! Go, go, go. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Take it, you got it. Over here! Move it, move it, move it! Get over here! Oh yeah.
Whoever shot me in the booty hole, I don't like you. Okay, I need a people two right here, try hard. Put his hand up. He got his hand up. He got his hand up.
Watch out, lads! Brr, brr.
Ceasefire, let's game, let's game! No LMG guy, I like that gun!
Thank you, man. I like you guys being out here today. Thanks. Are you guys setting up for round 2?
Yeah, they're gonna attack us, you know.
Holy moly.
Confirmed.
Sir.
Here, call it out. Stay in this angle. That way you got free lane.
And a cover.
And a cover. White team! Are you ready?
Yeah!
White team, you will be attacking the city. You are not defending. You will be attacking.
Roger that. I thought we were defending. Thank you. Automatically assume every window has a person in it.
Communicate what you see.
You have a YouTube channel, sir? I watch your YouTube. I'm subscribed. You? Yeah.
A little sniper.
Baby snipe.
She's a beast. That's thunder.
I was looking at it.
Ooh.
That's what I was looking at.
Ooh. I'll meet you guys in the town. I'm going this way to find out how to flank that way. So we got bridge, we got swamp, we got dirt. Oh! Approaching enemy positions. Give me all your weapons! Ah! I'm going to the third story. Entering. Ooh. All right. Let's get up here. Tight steps.
Whoever gets in here first.
That's game over.
As a clear, man, you know we can't fight continue.
Lockers. Oh shit. Huh. I like it. Wow. I like it. We're just checking out the field. It's our first time here. All right, so this is the hot spot I want to be in.
Let's go, let's go. We're walking on.
I'm digging the whole container structure.
The container is gonna sound awesome once babies are bouncing off them, dude. Yeah, just be careful. This isn't a power line. I'm just kidding. We're gonna cover them, cover them, cover them. We got enemies in the trees. 11 o'clock. Game face, game face, game face.
Remember,
All right.
eliminate. Hold up with the flag right here. To eliminate everyone.
How many you got in there?
Psychopath.
I think I have 2,000.
Bars here, all the way around. That dirt mountain in the back.
Deal.
They're gonna sit there. So come some here.
Looking so handsome in your poncho.
Poncho, baby.
The cat daddy.
Cat daddy, all right. You guys, wait for me. I'm on your team.
That thing's a pistol?
Just in case. You never friggin' know.
I didn't pass pilot school. I don't know what a circle is.
Yep.
I passed college 2 days ago and I still don't know.
Hey, welcome to being in debt. Join the circle!
Dropouts, unite!
I scratch your vest.
No, not my vest.
Oh man.
5, 7. No, that's too much. Alright, since it's 5 and it's consecutive
Yes!
players,
I like your barrel.
everybody put your head down.
Oh, shenanigans. How do I know this guy's face is down?
You are terrorists. You'll go from the opposite of the 3-story. You will
Are you allowed to
over
look?
where the green. Game starts, go.
Face!
Oh, that's fucking awesome.
The one wheel?
Those things are expensive as fuck too.
Yeah, they are. They're like 1,500 bucks.
No, that's more than a Polar Star. That Polar Star is like 500. That's 1,500.
Huh? Why is no one around me? That's all I want to know.
I'm looking for killers.
Huh?
Nope, you short.
When do we start shooting is my deal.
Who are terrorists?
So what, there's terrorists out there and basically we're waiting on one person to start shooting?
I guess there's only what, like 5 terrorists?
There's 5 terrorists.
Second floor, left building, second floor. Second floor. Okay, how's the mountain right here?
I'm sorry.
I was like, I'm so confused what's going on.
You guys understand who's your partners and who's not? Go out there. Start. Oh, God.
Alright, so we know you guys aren't the, none of the above, so we're safe here. First step. I'm gonna stick with him, because I know he's not. I know you wouldn't lie to me.
Sorry.
I don't think a BB came out.
Yeah, no. BB came out.
I didn't feel
Not even
nothing,
loaded.
yeah.
Not
Where'd you
even
hit me?
loaded.
Where'd you
And
hit
it's
me?
still feeding.
Where'd you hit me? Where'd you hit me?
On the leg, but your thing went like this.
Ah, okay.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, okay.
First person, because you were too next to me. I'm like, sorry.
Alright, so basically, whenever it's trouble in terrorist town, just start shooting everybody.
Hey, careful, guy right in the orange container.
Container.
First one,
Literally right
I see him. Someone get an eye on those windows right there. I'm moving up. Keep an eye on that window, dude. He's there. Right side, right side. Yo, can they get at us from the left there? Yeah, they're upstairs. The windows upstairs. Watch the windows.
First window.
Yo, face.
Talk to me.
Where?
Yeah, first
Window, you-
first window.
move right,
Second
move-
floor.
Second floor?
He's there, waiting for you. He's there.
Move up, move up.
Behind you. Wait, I'm taking the tree.
All right, go.
I'm taking the tree left side.
What you do is get to the command center, which is this building right here, this blue building. Get up that
Give us
stairs, lay down
cover.
hill.
You need to
Roger that.
That's it. So I get the front.
Are they on the third story?
Yeah, balcony. This one balcony.
Across this river, you're going to be within the city limits, just so you know.
Right. Roger that. Oh, come on. What the fuck? Ha ha! What did we do? What did we do? Oh, you gotta be shitting me. Yeah. Oh boy.